Hey guys, just wanted to share with you my experience with this Efferdent antibacterial dental appliance cleaner. So if you're using dentures, mouthguards, retainers, aligners, veneers, then you really want to have a dental appliance cleaner like this to clean your device, because even after you clean this with soap and water, the odor will still stay in your appliance. When I first received this device, the only instruction I have from the dental assistant is to just brush this properly with mild soap, and I was doing that for a couple of weeks, and then I noticed that the smell is starting to build up around here. So I started looking online on what I can do, and I found this Efferdent dental appliance cleaner. The box actually comes with 126 tablets, so that's 4 months and a week, and this is how it looks like. And when you open it, you'll have a tablet like this, blue on one side and white on the other, and all you need to do is put this in a warm water, and this thing is going to turn blue as the tablet is dissolved into the water. And all you need to do is just put your appliance here for at least 3 minutes, and after that you can wash it off with cold water. But if you have some stain on your appliance already, then you can actually leave this thing all day or overnight, depending on when you have to use your appliance, to make sure that it doesn't build up any stains. So this thing's not gonna damage your device if you leave it here for a longer period of time. It's actually going to keep it a lot cleaner. So if you wanted to make sure that your dental appliance is actually clean, then I highly recommend to use this Efferdent antibacterial dental appliance cleaner.